it's Wednesday, competition time. Now, I didn't get a lot of photos for last week's competition, so nobody won the superhero pencil. But I thought today's competition, well, I've got two really. One of them, we've just talked with the puppet show about Molly having a party, invited Jesus to a party. So what is best than a party time blow up microphone? I have got three colors. I've got orange, the yellow and the green. I haven't got any pink anymore. So if I put my finger on there. So 3 winners to have a party microphone. Or the other theme, the main theme this week is about Jesus being our friends. And I've got some friendship bracelets. I've got 3 of them as well. Lovely bright colors. So if you are into making friendship bracelets, that's up for grabs. So what do you have to do for a party? Well, for the competition, I would like some photos either of a party, or you can draw the word friendship or friend in lots of doodles, because one of our thing from Monday is about doodles. So why don't you write the word friend or friendship with lots of doodles, making it really lovely, whether it's geometrical, flowery, any doodle you want. Post a picture to my email. Let me put the email. There we are, up here. mellis@sawyerschurch.org. And then let me know if you're entering the party or the friendship, which prize you want. I've got 3 of each for grabs, so can't wait to receive lots of emails about it. Enjoy!